up, you guys? This is BMX People to 20 here, and this is my bike check, kind of in a way, just like an update on it since I haven't been posting any videos lately. But what I did was that I used to have chrome cranks, fit cranks on here, so I swapped these out to Haro black cranks. I don't know what model, but then I put some Colt plastic pedals in black, and then I bought this Federal camouflage seat. It's really nice, comfy. I used to have the black with the white D demolition seat on there. It's really nice. And then that's it, really. The parts been going good lately. No breaking chain. I had this chain forever, so still holding on strong. And the barns, the shadow barns lasted, well, I had them since last Christmas, but they're still going strong. I haven't broke them, so that's good. Stem hasn't even stripped or anything, or the bolts, so that's still holding up really good. The bars, no bends to them, and the wheels, they're just amazing. I love the Primo wheels and the free coaster. No problems with the free coaster at all. Just tying the hub bolts, and that's it. Not much. Going strong stuff. But if you guys want to see some like more BMX videos, like this video or comment, see what you guys want to see. And you see I have my Fox Ryan jersey shirt. I don't know if you guys like motocross or dirt bikes and stuff, but I'm gonna try to start posting more dirt bike videos, so go check that out soon, and I'll let you guys know.